These niggas can't stop me, I'm going in. Every time the pack get gone, I get another load. My main bitch tryna leave me alone cause I fucked another hoe. I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but this just how life goes. And I know these niggas be happy if I let you go. Got me walking on a thing.
Alright, so boom, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in with the one and only me once again. How y'all doing? I'm good. Alright, okay. So for my first video, you guys showed a lot of love and I loved it. A tutorial, we love a beauty guru moment, you know? So I would just appreciate if everybody goes to that channel if you have not watched it yet, if you're a new viewer. And if you're also a new viewer, go down there and subscribe. What are you doing? I'll wait. You subscribe? Oh, okay. Just checking. So this video is also going to be a makeup tutorial, but this is going to be my everyday beat, everyday glam, a soft beat with some little eyeshadow, not too much, but not too little. You did some, but not a lot. You didn't want to do the work, but you still look popping. Alright? So let's get right into it. I'm gonna just moisturize my lips using this Carmex because my lips be getting mad dry. And yeah, to moisturize my skin, I'm going to be using my favorite, my Clinique Moisture Surge, but this is like almost running out. I literally only have for this time, so I'm going to have to go tomorrow and pick some up because I need my skin looking fresh and nice. Okay, so to prime my skin, Eyeliner Prime Light Illuminating Primer. You guys know the vibes already. Okay, so now that our skin is glowy and moisturized and primed, we're just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. If you guys would like an eyebrow tutorial, I would be more than happy to drop that video. But for now, I'm just gonna do it off camera because it does take me so long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this angled brush. Forever 21 eyebrow kit, you know the vibes, and then I'm just carve that out with my Fit Me Maybelline concealer in 15 Fair. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll be back. I'm going to prime my lids using the same concealer. Only going to go into the Maybelline Lemonade Praise eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Sweet Tea on this Morphe blending brush. And this is just a cool tone transition color, and I'm just going to pop that into my crease on both eyes. Only in one take. Take that. Back into this palette, I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into this darker brown shade in Old. So going back into the same palette, I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush and go into the shade Old Fashioned. This is just a darker brown, and I'm just going to pop that into my outer corner, pat it on, and then using my first brush to blend that back out, if that makes sense. Go into this shade right here called Main Squeeze, and I'm going to concentrate it on the inner portion of my lid and just pack it on. Onto my base, I'm going to take this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in Ivory and the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in Ivory as well. I'm just going to do 3 pumps on my cheek of each, and then 1 pump, 1 pump, 1 pump. So next I'm going to be concealing using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 Fair. I'm just gonna take that. I'm just gonna contour using the same concealer, but this time in the shade 30 Cafe. So now I'm just gonna blend that out using this Real Techniques Expert face brush. And first, I am. So next I'm going to set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 05 Fair. And I'm just going to shake that out. I'm just going to take some. And I just took some in the cap. Do you guys hear that? What is that? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna contour my face in the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette and light to medium. And I'm just gonna go into the contour shade right here. Then I'm just going to pop on some blush, and I'm going to be using this MAC powder blush in the shade Enthusiastic Red. And I'm just going to use this fluffy powder brush and really dig into this. And just pop this on the apples of my cheek. Gonna be highlighter, and I'm just going to be using this shimmer highlighting powder from e.l.f. and this is in the shade Starlight Glow. I'm going to be using this Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just going to go in. So next I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's just in white. So next I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade You're Always White. And I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. Take this Anastasia lip gloss in undressed, so that's what I'm going to be doing for this video. Leave a like down below, leave a comment, you know, and if you didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video, what are you doing? But you know what, I'm gonna give you another chance, and you can subscribe right now. Right now, just do it. Just do it right there, or right there, you know, wherever it is on your screen. Please make sure to press that button and press the little bell down below, because then you can get notification whenever I post. All right, you guys, my social media will be in the description box down below. I'm not forcing y'all to follow me on Snapchat or on Instagram, but if a breeze just so happens to push into my account, I mean, just follow me. Like, what harm could it really do, you know? So yeah, so this is the finished look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
That bitch got more coins than the game room, so we ain't never hating in the shade room. See, I keep my sons in the playroom, so me and you ain't never in the same room. Tell him eat the cookie 'cause it's good for him, and when he eats the cookie, he got good